Hello and welcome. I'm Mary Ellen Connett, and I'm welcoming you to my website, and I want to tell you a little bit about my services. I'm glad you found me. If you found me on the internet, you're probably looking for someone to give you some relationship help. Maybe you feel lost in your relationship. Maybe you feel like you are disconnected. Maybe you've had a lot of power struggles for a long time and you're just getting very weary of the cycle that you're caught in. So whatever the reason, whether you've been married a long time, whether you're newly married, whether you're in a committed relationship and you just want to make improvements, I can help you do that. My method is something that I developed over the course of my career, and it just is pulling together all kinds of different theories and techniques and methods that for me seem to help couples get where they want to be in the quickest amount of time. I call my method relationship retrieval. And there's 4 stages to this. When you come in to see me, I'll do an assessment first and we'll get an idea of where you want to go and then how I can help you get there. And then we start looking at the relationship retrieval method. So first we rescue your relationship. If it's been lost, if it's been dying, if you've neglected it for a very long time, we'll try to get those elements back that gave that excitement and chemistry to you and your relationship in the very beginning. Then we will go to reviving the relationship. So it needs some fresh air. It needs to be resuscitated in a lot of cases. We'll try to bring you back to a very conscious way of living in your relationship. You won't be sleepwalking any longer. You'll be making conscious, intentional decisions. Then we want to recover what was lost or what was damaged or what was injured. And to do this, we might have a somewhat of a grieving process over what you've lost. This is very, very healing for couples, and it also puts you in a great position to then rebuild the foundation, and that would be the final stages. We're going to repair the damage that was done. We'll get you to a functional state and eventually to where your relationship can really take off and flourish. So all of this takes place when you can develop a mutually respectful partnership that's based on trust and reciprocity, which is a give and take. So no longer are you going to be trying to control each other. You're going to learn how to have respectful communication and be just the best team that you could possibly be. So please call me when you're ready to take this next step. My number is 706-565-6062. You could also contact me by email at contact@MaryEllenConnett.com. That's my full name, Mary Ellen, MaryEllen, my last name, Connett. It's another good place to reach me. So thank you again for finding me. I hope this was helpful to you, and if I can be of any service to you at all to make your relationship just the best that it can be, that is what I love to do most, and I would be happy to take your call. So hope to hear from you. Have a good day.